what are the different layers of the brain? So I've created the D.N.A. system to fit the layers of the brain. So your first layer is your environment. That's where you live. That's your stuff. And that's who surrounds you as well. We are the byproduct of the 5 closest people to us. Okay? So think of the 5 closest people in your life, and this is who you become. Okay? If you want to make more money, or if you want to be more kind, if you want to be more positive, whatever it is you're surrounding yourself with, that's who you're becoming, the 5 different people. So your environment is very important. Your environment includes, in our industry, in this example, includes our cupboards. It's your spandex that you wear. It's the dry fit material we put on our body when we go to the gym. It's your gym membership, your running shoes. Your behaviors are the things you do. You brush your teeth, you eat, you walk, you exercise. So remember I said this, nutrition and exercise. Eating and exercise are behaviors. They are things we do, okay? It's important. It's part of our first, it's the foundation, and that's when we start deciding exactly what we want. Who do we want to surround ourselves with? What do we want to do? Then we go into skills. The skills are the things you're really good at. So you're an awesome personal trainer. It's not just a behavior for you, it's a skill. You took it to the next level, and you can teach people how to become better at it. That's a skill. Beliefs and value are the things we believe that would be true. In the summer, we always gain weight. At Christmas, we always gain weight. Exercising is hard. Push through the pain. No pain, no gain. Who's heard these things before? Anybody? So beliefs are causing most of our problems, limiting belief. The values are what's important to you. So let's say somebody has a problem because they believe that it's genetic. Their parents were overweight, so of course they'll be overweight. My answer is always, oh, you can choose to believe that. And all of a sudden they're like, well, what do you mean? It's a fact. Okay, do you know anybody with overweight parents that are not overweight? Yeah, I do. Oh, okay. How about, would that be possible? You'd become one of them? Oh, yeah, I guess. You want to reframe and rephrase these limiting beliefs, because it's not serving anybody to believe that, right? So if they have a limiting belief that no matter what happens, they are always going to be a size 16, or they'll get back to there. It's not by exercising and eating well that they will solve a problem that's there. The problem is here in the green section. You cannot apply a behavioral solution to a problem that's happening in belief. If you have a self-confidence problem, you cannot buy an expensive car and expect to gain self-confidence from an environment solution. It's not going to work. Yes or yes? Okay. Identity is who you are. It's being yourself. It's I am. What do you say when you say I am? Active, happy, enjoying life. Whatever it is that you fill the blank with is your whole identity. And the identity is a combination of doing things that you're good at in an environment that supports you, and doing what's important to you as well. Sometimes we're really good at stuff, but it's not important to us. We hate that full-time job. We're good at it, makes money, but it's not what we love. Fitness is what we love. Belief and value, if your beliefs are actually supporting beliefs, and you're doing what you're good at in an environment that supports you, that's when you can be yourself. And when you can be yourself, that's when you can be happy. That's when you can find your life purpose. That's when you can be truly serving others. Who else are you serving? So that's the life purpose. Why are you doing all this in the first place? Are you inspiring your clients? Are you inspiring your children? Who's got children? So who wants to have a life purpose to inspire the kids? And it needs to be in line with all the layers of the brain. So let's remember that. We cannot fix a belief with a behavioral solution, and that's why that transformational, long-lasting changes happen in our head, not in the gym necessarily. So we must start to add on these techniques into what we do.